Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start our lecture number 3. Exercise 7.1, question number 5. Find the vector from point A to origin, where AB vector is equal to 4i minus 2j and B is the point minus 2, 5. We have to find the vector A from origin. The solution is that given that AB vector is equal to 4i minus 2j, B point is minus 2 and 5, and origin, the coordinate of origin are 0, 0. As AB vector is equal to OB minus OA, this implies that AB vector is equal to OB plus AO. We change the direction, so the sign negative changes to plus sign. This implies that AB is equal to minus OB vector is equal to AO. AO is equal to AB minus OB. We put the vector here, AB vector which is given and OB vector. Point B is given that, so OB vector is minus 2A I plus 5J. Subtracting both vectors we get 6i minus 7j, which is the required vector AO. Question number 6. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector given below. We are given 3 vectors. We have to find unit vector of these vectors. How to find the unit vectors? We can find unit vector by dividing the vector with its magnitude. First of all, we have to find the magnitude of these vector. The given vector is v is equal to 2y minus j. The magnitude, we have to find the magnitude of this vector. V is equal to 2 ka square plus minus 1 square or whole square root. The magnitude of this vector is square root 5. Let v be a unit vector along v. Unit vector is equal to v divided by v magnitude. The vector is 2y minus j divided by square root 3, and the required unit vector is given this. You have to find the other two unit vector like this. Now question number 7. If A, B and C are respectively the points 2, minus 4, 4, 0 and 1, 6, use vector method to find the coordinate of the point D. If A, B, C, D is parallelogram and two part is A, D, B, C is a parallelogram. The first part is, we have to find the coordinate of the point D in this question. Look at this question. Question number 7. Given that A is equal to 2, 4, A is equal to 2 minus 4, the coordinate of B are 4 and 0, the coordinate of C are 1 and 6 at D. We choose the coordinate of D is x, y, be the required point which we have to found. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore the side AB is equal to the side DC. We impose this condition, find out the vector AB and DC. Given that AB, we have to find the AB vector by subtracting the coordinate of A from the coordinate of B respectively. The I coordinate with the I coordinate and J coordinate with the J coordinate. 4 minus 2 I plus 0 minus plus 4 J. Similarly, like this, by solving this we get x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, and the required coordinates of the point D are minus 1, 2. Similarly, we can find out the second part. Now question number 8. If B, C and D are respectively this, use vector method to find the coordinate of the point A. If A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and if A, E, B, D is a parallelogram. Similarly, as question number 7, the given that B, C, 3 points are given, B, C and D. We have to find out the coordinate of the point A. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram and AB is equal to DC, from this peak it is clear that AB is equal to DC. By equating these vectors, we find the two coordinate x and y, which is equal to -2 and y is equal to -2. These are the coordinate of the point A. Similarly, second part can be solved by this method. Now question number 9. If O is the origin and OP is equal to AB, then find point P when A, B are A and B are these point. The point A and B are given, and the condition also is given. We have to find the point. Find the coordinate of the point P. Since O, the coordinate of O, we know that are 0 0. A and B, the coordinate of A and B are given. Also, the condition is given that OP is equal to AB. Let P be the required point which have the coordinate x and y. By applying the given condition OP is equal to AB, we find the coordinate of the required point. X is equal to 4, y is equal to -7. Now question number 10. Use vector to show that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram when the point A, B, C and D are respectively. The 4 points are given. We have to show that the A, B, C, D shape which is formed by the point A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. To show parallelogram, we have to show that AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Matlab means that the two parallel sides are equal and the diagonal is also equal. AD parallel sides are equal to with each other for to show the parallelogram. Given that A, B, C, D are the points, to prove that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, we have to find the vector AB and the vector DC and the vector AD and the vector PC. How to find the vector AB? By subtracting the coordinate of the point B from the vector A. And similarly, we can find DC vector, AD vector and BC vector. So by these 4 equations, we have cleared that AB is equal to DC. The answer AB is equal to DC, AI, and AD vector is equal to BC vector. Hence, the shape formed by the point A, B, C, D is parallelogram. This is our lecture number 3. You have to prepare it carefully. If you have some difficulty in that, you can ask questions or comment on it. Thanks.